How is Great Zimbabwe preserved? Have you ever wondered how ancient sites like Great Zimbabwe stand the test of time? This remarkable location is preserved through a mix of research, conservation practices, and both modern and traditional methods. Great Zimbabwe is famous for its massive stone walls, which are some of the most impressive architectural remains in sub-Saharan Africa. These walls were built using dry stone masonry, a technique where stones fit together without any mortar. This relies on careful placement and the natural shape of the granite blocks. To keep Great Zimbabwe safe, archaeologists and conservationists face various challenges. Natural factors like temperature changes and soil moisture can affect the site. Human activities, such as tourism and invasive plants, also pose threats. To combat these issues, ongoing maintenance and monitoring are essential. Conservation teams regularly inspect the walls for any signs of damage and take action to stabilize and repair affected areas. A key part of preserving Great Zimbabwe is using the right materials and methods. This means choosing materials that match the original stone and using techniques that respect the site's authenticity. For instance, when restoring walls, only local granite is used, and the traditional dry stone masonry method is followed. This approach helps maintain the historical and cultural integrity of the site. Another important aspect of preservation is documenting traditional building skills. The knowledge of dry stone masonry has been passed down through generations, but it is at risk of being lost. Efforts are underway to record these skills and train new stonemasons in ancient techniques. This ensures that future conservation work can be done by people who understand the original methods. The natural environment around Great Zimbabwe is also managed to protect the archaeological remains. Invasive plant species are controlled, and measures are taken to prevent poaching and other harmful activities. The surrounding area is crucial for understanding the relationship between the built environment and its setting. Great Zimbabwe is not just an archaeological site, it is also a sacred place for local communities. They continue to use it for spiritual purposes. Preservation efforts take this into account, allowing for rituals and practices that are part of the site's living heritage. Balancing modern conservation standards with traditional uses helps ensure that Great Zimbabwe is protected for future generations while respecting its ongoing cultural significance. In practical terms, archaeological teams at Great Zimbabwe conduct regular surveys, monitor environmental conditions, and carry out targeted repairs. They also educate visitors about the importance of preservation and the site's history. By combining scientific research, traditional knowledge, and community involvement, Great Zimbabwe is maintained as a vital example of African architectural heritage.